Hello everyone, it's Nikita from Skema. In this video, I'll show you what we built and what's coming next. First up, one-button catalog creation. We've completely reworked how you create and manage them, making it more versatile by handling complex typologies like healthcare. In this example, we imported Australian Health Facility components with minimum rework. Then, we built a full hospital inside Skema, and finally, exported straight into Revit, with all native elements intact. Next, Grasshopper Integration. You can now access Skema's data-rich analytical model directly inside Grasshopper. From there, model a facade and push it to Revit via Rhino.Inside. And because both models are built from the same data source, they stay perfectly in sync. Now let's take a look at what we're working next. First, Miro Integration. Soon you will be able to embed Skema's full viewports directly into Miro. Not just static images, but a live interactive view. Collaborate with your team or share it with your client. And second, custom formulas in Skema reports. Your data is yours, and soon you will be able to calculate custom properties directly from it. Filter specific areas like circulation spaces and calculate floor efficient ratio, all inside Skema. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.